Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig and the toy train. Wow, everybody, look at this toy train. But where did Grandpa Pig go? Oh, he's at work right now. I'm sorry. Oh. But I know how to ride the train. Ooh, yay, everybody hop along. Yay. Right, we're about to go to town. Yay, yay. Yay. The piggies on the bus go coink, coink, coink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. The piggies on the bus go oink, oink, oink. All to the town. Wow, look at Peppa. Everybody, whoa. So cool. Hey, how's the two Pedros? Oh, he's my brother. Oh, but look at Peppa's toy train. This is not a toy. Gertrude is a very nice train. Then how come he doesn't ride on train tracks? He can go wherever he wants. Okay, Emily Elephant? Okay. The piggies on the bus go oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. The piggies on the bus goes oink, oink, oink. All through the town. Look, Daddy Pig's in front of us. So cool. Let's say hi. Go faster. Hey, Mommy Pig. Hey, Daddy Pig. I'll beat you to the finish line. Hey, no fair. Peppa and George are riding a toy train. I can beat them with a toy. And Gertrude isn't a toy. He's a very nice train. Oh. We win. Oh, no, they won. Dang it. We can try harder next time. Yeah, next time. I'm glad that we won, didn't we, George? Yeah, I'm real glad. Come on, let's follow them to the house. I. Oh, look, it looks like they followed us. Why did you follow us? Because I want to see the toy trains. I told you this about 10,000 million 1,000 times. Ouch. This isn't a toy. Gertrude isn't a toy. It's not a toy. That's what Grandpa Pig says. Grandpa Pig is always wrong. No, he's not. Children, you please stop it. I know, Mommy Pig. Well, I hope you liked that video. Watch more episodes of Peppa Pig on Taylor Mill. Bye-bye.